Let's make an easy potato soup. In your slow cooker, add about 10 cubed potatoes. Now add 3 tablespoons of flour. Mix the flour with the potatoes. Now add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Add 1 diced red onion. Add 1 tablespoon of bacon bits, 1 tablespoon of ranch seasoning, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of seasoning salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and 4 cups of water. Cover and cook on low for 8 hours. Now add 1 cup of heavy cream, mix well, and cook an additional 10 minutes. Add cheddar cheese and chopped green onion to your bowl. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.